Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. The countdown has begun for Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul, the long gestating production set to become the season's most talked about series with this ambitious story, cast, and meticulous crafted set design, bringing the 90s to TRT1 screens. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul stars Jihangir Jihan and Alina Bose marking their first project together as preparations for the series, described as the story that combines a profound love story with a quest for justice, continue at full speed. The first photos of the duo has also been released. Number 9. Ashki Hatirla. On the verge of marriage, renowned architecture Denise and popular editor Gunesh experience a breakup. However, their lives take a transformative turn when on the same evening they cross paths by chance. A message on their phones sets them on a journey that will change everything. This new adventure leads them to uncover the missing pieces in their relationship and rediscover love. Number 8. Ashraf Ruia. Ashraf, at the peak of his power in the underworld, is a reckless, powerful money man turned crime leader who has everything he wants. While dozens of women are dying for him, he has become a captive or to a love whose name he doesn't know and whose image he cannot even visualize in his mind. Years ago, he saw this girl on a farm in Afyun where he worked as a seasonal worker with his uncle. He named her Ruya. He entered a reformatory for her, and although he lost her trace, he never gave up searching for her for years. And years later, while continuing his life as an important part of a criminal ward called Yatimlar, a woman named Nisan appears before him. Ashraf is close to loving someone for the first time after Ruya, but the truth about Nisan will be Ashraf's end. Nisan is informing on a police officer named Chidam who is obsessed with Ashraf. Number 7. Karal Kai Bedar se Halit Erganch will play Kenan, who was raised like a king by his mother Kenan, who is married to Handan, changes his life when he meets Fadi, whom he met at a club. Number 6. I Really the Sevdaya Dahil Kemal, the debt collector for a loan shark family, sets out to collect the debt of Afife, a screenwriter who is forced to work in a restaurant. Along the way with her, Kemal discovers that virtue and love are not what he once believed. Number 5. Platonic, a modest boutique hotel run by a mother and her two daughters in Alachati becomes highly desirable to investors due to its location. A handsome businessman is determined to buy the hotel that the mother absolutely does not want to sell. He decides to stay there under a false name, and as soon as he checks in, he makes both daughters fall in love with him. One believes she has found her soulmate sent by the universe, while the other is convinced that he is her destiny. Number 4. Uzak Sheher. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 3. Sakir Pasa Ailesi. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasa Ailesi, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired Ottoman commander and history writer living in Bucharest when his elder son Javad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa where the Bohemian Javad was increasingly at odds with his military father who disapproved of Jivad's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife becomes infatuated with the older man and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha Ailesi apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. In the decades to follow, Jawad Shakir became the fisherman of the Halicarnassus, one of the Turkey's most beloved writers. Meanwhile, his glamorous sisters developed into thoroughly modern women and fixtures of Istanbul's art scene. Fahrunisa became an internationally renowned painter and went on to marry a prince, and Aliye was widely famous as Turkey's first female engraver, but a tragic love affair brought them a life of misery. Later generations brought many more important artists whose work is known throughout the world. Number 2. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili, with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 1. Sa Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Bukbe, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Bukbe comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Bukbe's daughter Shirin and his nephew Kubad intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed and nothing will ever be the same again. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.